There's something deeply soothing about the sound of rain. That gentle pattering on your window, the rhythmic drumming on the roof. It has a way of calming our minds, slowing down our thoughts, and inviting a moment of peace. But why do we love the sound of rain so much? What is it about those falling droplets that speaks to us on such a fundamental level? Today, we'll explore the fascinating intersection of audio psychology and evolution to understand why rain's melody feels so comforting. Rain sounds are what scientists call white noise, a mix of frequencies spread evenly across the audio spectrum. This kind of sound masks other sudden or jarring noises around us, creating a consistent and predictable auditory backdrop. Our brains naturally crave predictability. It helps us feel safe. When rain softly falls, it creates a calm environment by drowning out distracting sounds. This effect helps our minds relax, reduces stress, and can even improve focus and sleep. It's like nature's lullaby. The love for rain might also be hardwired deep within us, shaped by millions of years of evolution. For early humans, rain signaled many important things. The promise of fresh water, fertile soil, and thriving plants. It meant survival, life itself. So it's possible our ancestors learned to associate the sound of rain with safety and renewal. At the same time, during rainstorms, movement would slow. Animals and people alike would find shelter, encouraging rest and the preservation of energy. Over time, our brains may have evolved to find rain sounds reassuring, a natural cue to pause, reflect, and rejuvenate. In our busy, noisy world, the sound of rain provides a gentle retreat. It helps us reconnect with nature, even when we're indoors. Many people use rain recordings to meditate, relax, or fall asleep. This response is a blend of our biology and our personal experience. Rain taps into a universal rhythm, one that resonates deeply within all of us. So, next time you hear rain, pause for a moment. Listen to its gentle song. It's more than just weather. It's a comforting embrace from nature, reminding us to slow down, breathe, and find calm in the simple things.